Welcome to the Maadcoder channel. Here I'm hopefully going to give you some great content for learning how to code with different languages that are relevant to today's web-based kind of projects that are done at enterprise level around countries around the world and in the United States more specifically. But since the phenomenon of web-based application is a worldwide kind of thing, we can delve in all the things that are kind of popular and what needs to be learned today, and what kind of tricks and pitfalls there have been from what I've done with working for Fortune 500 companies and all the other people that I can bring in the channel that have that kind of expertise. So I hope you subscribe and learn and discuss these things, whatever we need to do, because that's the whole point of the channel, is to learn. And that's what we need to do as developers and application developers, is learn all we can and bring that knowledge to other people and disseminate that, because without learning we're not going to have anything and we're never going to improve anything. So I hope you're always looking to improve your code, and we can look at all those things here, and I really will love your feedback and whatever else what's going on today. Thank you again, guys, for joining my channel. Goodbye.